French fry cutters have become an essential kitchen tool for anyone who enjoys making restaurant-quality fries at home. Whether you're cooking for family dinners or preparing large batches for gatherings, a reliable cutter saves time and effort. While this guide typically evaluates factors like blade quality, build durability, ease of use, product number 1, Vivor Commercial Vegetable Chopper with 4 replacement blades. The Vivor Commercial Vegetable Chopper is designed for serious home cooks, restaurants, food trucks, and commercial kitchens that require fast, consistent food preparation. Built with heavy-duty cast aluminum and stainless steel components, this cutter delivers exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. One of its biggest strengths is the inclusion of 4 interchangeable stainless steel blade sets, allowing users to create different fry sizes and prepare a variety of vegetables. The ergonomic pull-down handle provides excellent leverage, making it easy to cut potatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers, and more with minimal effort. Its stable non-slip feet keep the unit firmly in place during operation, improving both safety and efficiency. Cleaning is relatively simple, since the blade assemblies can be removed easily. The commercial-grade construction ensures years of reliable use, although its larger size may not be ideal for very small kitchens. Product number 2. Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is one of the most versatile kitchen tools available. Rather than serving solely as a French fry cutter, it functions as a complete food preparation system, featuring 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, grating, julienning, and making fries. Its BPA-free food container collects ingredients neatly, reducing countertop mess while speeding up meal preparation. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades deliver clean, consistent cuts across potatoes, onions, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, eggs, and many other vegetables. The compact design makes storage simple, and most removable components are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Although it isn't built for commercial use, it's an outstanding option for busy families seeking an affordable multi-purpose kitchen gadget. Product number 3. Sopito French Fry Cutter for Potatoes. The Sopito French Fry Cutter is specifically engineered for making perfectly uniform fries with minimal effort. Constructed from premium stainless steel, it offers impressive durability while resisting rust and corrosion. Its professional-grade lever mechanism provides excellent cutting power, allowing users to process whole potatoes without pre-cutting them into smaller pieces. The 1/2-inch stainless steel blade creates thick steakhouse-style fries, ideal for baking, deep frying, or air frying. Beyond potatoes, it also handles sweet potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, zucchini, and other firm vegetables with ease. The extended handle significantly reduces hand fatigue, making repetitive cutting much easier. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to its removable blade assembly and smooth stainless steel surfaces. Its single blade size may limit versatility for users who prefer thinner fries, but for consistently thick fries, it's among the best choices available. Product number 4. PrepWorks Tower Fry Cutter. The PrepWorks Tower Fry Cutter features a unique vertical tower design that simplifies fry preparation while requiring minimal counter space. Instead of using a horizontal lever, users simply press downward, allowing gravity to assist with cutting. Its heavy-duty stainless steel blades create evenly sized fries with impressive consistency. The sturdy frame keeps everything aligned during operation, while the compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments and smaller kitchens. This cutter works well for potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and other firm vegetables. The removable blade assembly simplifies cleanup, and many components are dishwasher safe. While it's not intended for commercial food production, its durable design and user-friendly operation makes it an excellent household appliance for regular use. Product number 5. Bufano French Fry Cutter. The Bufano French Fry Cutter offers an excellent combination of affordability, durability, and reliable performance. Built primarily from stainless steel, it resists rust while maintaining sharp cutting performance over time. Its 1/2-inch blade produces classic steak fries that cook evenly whether fried, baked, or air-fried. The ergonomic handle provides substantial leverage, making potato cutting much easier than using traditional knives. Assembly is quick, and the removable blade allows for convenient cleaning after use. Its lightweight design also makes storage simple without occupying excessive cabinet space. Although designed primarily for potatoes, it performs well on sweet potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and similar vegetables. Product number 6. French Fry Cutter. Dishwasher-safe stainless steel potato and vegetable slicer. 2 blade sizes. This dishwasher-safe stainless steel French fry cutter stands out by including 2 interchangeable blade sizes, 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch, allowing users to prepare both thick-cut steak fries and thinner traditional fries. Its stainless steel construction delivers long-lasting durability while resisting rust and staining. The strong lever system reduces cutting effort, making it suitable for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, sweet potatoes, zucchini, and more. The removable blades simplify cleaning, and the dishwasher-safe design adds extra convenience for busy households. Switching between blade sizes is quick and requires minimal effort. Its versatility makes it one of the best all-around choices for families who enjoy preparing fries in different styles. If you need commercial-grade performance, the Vivor Commercial Vegetable Chopper is the strongest option. For maximum versatility, the Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 delivers outstanding value with multiple functions. The Sapido French Fry Cutter excels at making thick, restaurant-style fries, while the PrepWorks Tower Fry Cutter offers excellent convenience for smaller kitchens.